Okay, again, I'm going to complete the square. Y equals negative 4x squared minus 12x plus 5. First step, I need to factor the negative 4 out of the first two terms. So this is going to be y equals negative 4, and then divide the first two by negative 4, and I get x squared. Negative 12 divided by negative 4 is positive 3x. Give yourself space, and then plus 5 goes outside. Now I'm going to complete the square to make this a perfect square trinomial. 3 isn't the nicest number, but no matter what, the process is always the same. I'm going to go 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, and then I'm going to square that, and I'm going to add it and subtract it inside the brackets. So 1.5 squared is 2.25, so I'm going to go plus 2.25 and minus 2.25 inside the brackets. Then this is my perfect square trinomial, and it's always the negative that needs to get multiplied out. So I'm going to multiply negative 4 times the negative 2.25, and I get y equals negative 4 x squared plus 3x plus 2.25. Negative 4 times 2.25 is going to be plus 9 plus 5. So this equals y equals negative 4, factoring the perfect square, two numbers that add to 3 and multiply to 2.25, well, it's 1.5 again. So I know this is x plus 1.5, because 1.5 is half of 3, squared, plus 9 plus 5 is 14. So now it's in standard form, and I can figure out, okay, my vertex is at negative 1.5, comma, 14, and we can try and sketch this thing, although the 14 seems pretty high, so I'm going to lower the x-axis some on this. Okay, to get 14 to fit, I'm going to drop the x-axis down about there, okay, and then the vertex is at negative 1.514, so negative 1, so it's 1.5 to the left and then 14 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And now my a value is negative 4, so I know I'm going to go 1 to the left and 1 to the right and 4 down from the vertex. So from the vertex, I'm going 1 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, normally I go 2 over, 4 up or down, but this time, because I'm timesing it by 4, it's actually 16 down. So it's 2 over, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Same thing to the left. And this is a pretty skinny parabola. And now I can graph it. And there it is. Because this was a negative in front, I knew this had to be a maximum value of, well, the max value is the y value, which is 14, when x equals negative 1.5. And we're done.